everybody, this is Julie from Nobody's Beauty Guru, and welcome to my makeup collection series. This will be the intro for a number of videos where I go through and catalog exactly what I own in each one of my makeup categories. In the past, I have an entire playlist of my makeup collection and my numbers, but I've never shown you exactly what products I have in each category. Today, I'm going to go through and I'm going to catalog all of that for you and do a giant rundown. This will be split up into multiple videos, so this will be my intro for all of them. But in this series, you will get to see all of the items that I have within a certain category. Whatever is on the title of this specific video is what you're going to be seeing today. So let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you what I have kept in my collection after all of my declutters. All right, so this is what I have for mascaras right now. I have these Tarte. These are actually fiber lashes, so this is not a mascara. These are just the fibers that you can add in to kind of grow your lashes. I don't use these very often, but they're nice to have on hand. I also have a sample here of the Burberry in Jet Black. This one is almost done. This will be done soon, but that is a little sample I have. I also have a Marc Jacobs sample, and this one is a Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. And I am also using this one. This one is open as well. Then I have the e.l.f. This is just their like precision liner. It's in Naked Noir, and this is one of their very, very small, like lower lash line mascaras or tight lining mascaras. I have opened this and started to use it, so we will see. I will do a review on that at some point. The other mascara that I have open right now is this Stila. This is their, what is this, Extreme Lash Mascara. This flakes on me so bad, and I only opened it on the 18th. It's got a beautiful wand, but it flakes so bad. And it actually, I think, dries up my lashes and made them break. So I'm not so sure about this one, but these are my open mascaras. I mean, this doesn't really age, but these are my open mascaras. These two have not been opened yet, so I have a full-size Urban Decay Perversion and a full size of the False Lashes Mascara by Essence. I really like Essence mascara, so I'm excited to try the two of these, but these are not open, so I'm not going to show you their wands. And then these are what I have open that I am trying to use up, these two samples, and then these larger ones. So currently I have 6 mascaras. I don't know what to do with this. So I just kind of count that in with my full mascaras, which gives me 5 full mascaras and 2 samples. Last time I had 4 mascaras. These 2 are new additions, so I worked through 1 full size. And the samples, I only had 1, so I now have 2, although this one is on its way out. So these are an ever-changing kind of a thing, and they always will be. And then let's get into eyeliners while I'm here. 4 full-size liners. This is the Tarteist. This one has a pencil side and a liquid side. This is the Perversion. This one is in olive green from NYX and brown from NYX. I like having the olive and the brown and then these black. I really don't need more than that. And then for sample sizes, I have a Too Faced and a Bobbi Brown black. And then this has maybe 2 more uses out of it. This was the Dose black eyeliner. I can't sharpen it anymore, so whenever this is gone, this is done. This used to be full size, and that was a part of my panning, and it's almost gone. So I'm counting that as 4 full size, 2 sample. This will be gone in the next use, so 4 and 2 there. And then for my jumbo pencils, an Aspen Pine from Trestique, which I'm also trying to pan. It's not going well, guys. I swear, I don't remember to use it. It's a gorgeous green color. And then I have Tarte here in the Waterproof Shadow Stick in Mocha Berry. And this is, there's so much in this one too. It's a gorgeous rosy, like taupey color, and I do really enjoy it. I just don't ever think to use it, but it's a great base, so I need to start using the 2 of these more, but these are my 2 jumbo kinds of sticks. We're going to go quickly over brows as well. I have brow pencils. I used to only have 1. It was this one from Ofra, I think in a universal color. This one I also cannot sharpen anymore, so once this one is gone, it is gone. That is crazy tiny, like I can't even push it all the way in or else it's going to get lost. So this one is what I've been using religiously while I've been panning. But recently I went to CVS, and while it was on sale and while I could get money back, I got a whole bunch of the natural brown e.l.f. Pencils, which I really do like. They have a spoolie, and then this one I did start using, so I can swatch it for you. This is their natural brown color that you can work through. I do like that, and these are $2, so not bad. So I have the 3 of these. This one, again, I'm just not counting because I have a couple, like maybe one more use out of this and then it's gone. So I'm counting myself as 3 for that. So then for my gels, I have 2 of these Gimme Brow or Make Me Brow by Essence. These are in brown or brownie brows, I believe. Yep, brownie brows. This one I am currently using and trying to pan. So this one's almost gone, but this is the one that I'm currently using and I do love and I have a backup of. This is one side down for the gel, and then this one I'm trying to pan on my Drop 10 Before Summer. This is what I use for like a clear brow gel, and then I have a backup of that as well. This also is for lashes. I don't like it on my lashes. It leaves them too brittle and dry and clumpy, so... but I have 4 for my brow gels. And then that's going to be it for this video. I will catch you up in lips. I hope you've enjoyed this installment of my makeup collection and seeing what I have. If you have and you're interested in seeing more and the rest of my collection, that is to come. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.